How to use the calendar views in Brisk Appointment. Brisk Appointment provides multiple calendar views to navigate your schedule and find available time slots. Switch between views on the Appointments page using the View dropdown in the upper right corner. In Day View, select the specific date you want to see. Appointments appear as color-coded boxes within the time slots, while empty spaces indicate available time slots. Grayed-out boxes represent blocked times when appointments cannot be scheduled. You can click on an available time slot to create a new appointment. In Week View, select the bookable from the drop-down and choose the week you want to view. Scheduled appointments will appear as color-coded boxes in their corresponding time slots, while empty spaces indicate available slots. You can click an available time slot to add a new appointment, or drag and drop existing appointments to reschedule them. Clicking on an appointment will open its details, where you can review or edit the booking. In Month View, all appointments for the selected month will be displayed. Use the date picker to choose the month you want to view. Past dates appear in dark gray, while disabled dates appear in light gray. Click on a date to switch to Day View and see the appointments for that specific day. Right-click on a date to add a new appointment, or click the Add New Appointment button on the upper right corner. In List View, select the week you want to view, and all appointments for that week will appear in a list format. From here, you can manage appointments by clicking the pencil icon to edit or the trash icon to delete. For more Brisk Appointment tutorials, visit the address shown on your screen.